Hi folks, Aldrin here and welcome to Wild Bush and Grit. Today I'm making something that I really love and I call this the Impossible Gravlax. The impossible, why? Because it's just impossible to describe when you put this in your mouth and you're trying to describe it to other people. It just brings you to your happy place. So whether you fish it yourself or you get it to the fish market, it doesn't matter, but you need a fish. The advantage of fishing it yourself, well, you'll have one more story to tell when you're serving this Gravlax to your guest. You need 3 beetroot, shredded. This is salt and sugar, and I'm using 2 parts sugar, 1 part salt. The salt is, there is no addition to the salt, and the sugar is just cane sugar. Horseradish, 2 good tablespoons. And mix everything well. Next, you need to bury those fillets under the mixture, making sure that you're covering every little bit and pieces. You wouldn't want any piece of the fish to poke out, so try to cover it as best as you can. You want to saturate the salmon with your mixture. Leave it in the fridge for 24 hours, and the next morning you're ready. Pull it out of the mixture and pat dry the salmon, and please, I repeat, please do not rinse it. Just pat it dry with some paper towel. It will develop that nice leathery texture. So next, the vinaigrette. Vinaigrette is quite simple. 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, 1 tablespoon of honey, preferably spring or early summer honey, to have all these flowery aroma. 2 tablespoons of white wine vinegar, a pinch of salt, some pepper, Before adding the oil, you want to whisk these ingredients well, especially if your honey is crystallized. Then you can add 100 milliliters of oil. Use vegetable oil. This is canola oil. So here, if you're a foodie, you're done. If you're a foodie plus, follow me down the rabbit hole. We have one more step to go. Put together all your knowledge about espresso and make the best pull ever. Now you don't need much, only a teaspoon of it, and you want to make sure that you scoop that wonderful crema floating on the top. All this oil mixed with the beetroot, the horseradish, it's just gonna make that whole Gravlax sing to a new level. Freddie Mercury wouldn't even believe it. Now we're done. When you're serving the Gravlax, make sure you're making thin slices. You want light to shine through. And seriously, if you're into Gravlax and smoked salmon, you're going to love this one. Brings you back to your happy place every time. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, consider subscribing, thumbs up, leave me a comment. What do you think of this Gravlax? Have you tried it? Let me know. Till next time, see you folks. Bye bye.